Welcome. If you're tired of dealing with unwanted or negative comments on your Instagram posts, this video is for you. Today, you'll learn exactly how to enable advanced comment filtering on Instagram, an updated and super simple way to keep your comment section clean and positive. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to manage comments. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This takes you straight to your personal profile page. Next, in the top right corner, you'll notice the menu icon that's the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu. Go ahead and tap that. A few options will appear, but for this setting, you'll want to scroll down the list and tap on hidden words. This section is where Instagram organizes features to help block and filter harmful or unwanted content. Not just in comments, but sometimes in message requests too. Once you're inside the hidden words menu, look for the option that says advanced comment filtering. Now, all you need to do is toggle it on. When it's activated, Instagram automatically hides comments that may contain offensive or inappropriate language, even ones that try to bypass normal filters using symbols or tricky spellings. By turning on advanced comment filtering, you're giving yourself a smoother, safer social media experience. It means you can focus on engaging with the people who genuinely support you without worrying about negativity or spam showing up in your comment section. Remember, Instagram's filtering tools are always evolving, so it's a good idea to check back once in a while to see if new safety features have been added. Keep your settings up to date, stay positive, and enjoy sharing your content with confidence. Thanks for tuning in.